Hello YouTube. In this episode, we will show you how to build and run an Android application using Nativescript and Vue. Why I pick and choose Nativescript and Vue instead of React Native or native Android? Well, I love Vue's simplicity and the native nature of Nativescript. So, combining both is very good in terms of easiness and performance-wise, compared with Vue and Ionic or Capacitor. Without further ado, let's see how it's going. Here I don't cut nor increase the speed of the screencast, so what you see is the real speed. The building process is quick, though depends on the project size, but comparatively still faster than my Asus gaming laptop building the same project. Select No for Vue DevTools, since it will generate some error messages in the next step. Go to the project directory and run tns run android. It will detect the environment and do the necessary steps to build the project. Here starts the Gradle process. Usually in my Intel laptop, the fan will go crazy and the temperature will increase drastically. In M1 MacBook Air, there is no such thing. It stays cool and quiet. I forgot to disconnect my phone from the Mac, so it will be installed to my phone instead of the emulator. It took me some time to realize what happened. It should be emulator, not some random number, which indicates a phone. So I decided to stop the process and restart it, after disconnecting my phone from the Mac, and make sure that the emulator is the only connected device. Once the application is installed to the emulator, you can edit the source code and it will restart the building and installation process automatically. Note that this is not a web view, so the performance is near to native Android application. For example, here I change the main title and the title of the first tab. Using this Nativescript+Vue, we can get both the performance of Nativescript and the simplicity of the Vue framework. Then hopefully that will bring more productivity. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.